Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now doing 7th class mathematics ratio and application. So in this ratio and application up to 5 exercises I have completed and even example sums also I have completed. Now exercise 6. First one is how long will it take? How long will it take? Let me read the problem for you. How long will it take for a sum of rupees 12,600 invested at 9% per annum to become rupees 15,624? What are they giving? How long will it take means the question is he is asking about the time, how many years it takes. As far as sum rupees 12,600. So this 12,600 should be taken as principal and invested at rate 9%, that is rate, to become 15,624 rupees, that is 15,624 rupees becomes amount. So you need to find out the time period here. So now let us see what is given to us. Principal is given as rupees 12,600 and rate is given as 9% and amount is given as rupees 15,624. Now the question is what is T? You need to find out time. So first we know that amount is equal to P plus I. So we want interest because without knowing interest, you cannot find out the time. So interest is nothing but amount minus principal. Amount is 15,624 minus 12,600. So let us subtract this. 15,624 minus 12,600. 15,624, 12,600. So 4 here, 2 here, 0 here, 3 here. So 3024 you are getting here. 3024 rupees is the interest. Okay. Now I is equal to PTR by 100. You know this. Now we want T. T is equal to 100I by PR. So 100 into what is I? 3024 by principal 12,600 into rate, that is 9. So 2 zeros will get cancelled. See, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 0, 0, 3 eights are 24. So again you can cancel by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 six are 18. So let us see, 2 six are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 six are, 2 eights are. So 63, then 3 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. Again, so 21 and 56 can be cancelled by 7. 7 threes are 7, 8 are 56. So you are getting 8 by 3 years. 8 by 3 years means how much, children? 3 twos are 6, 2 by 3 years. And we know that 12 months make 1 year. So 2 by 3 years make how many months? So you are getting 2 by 3 into 12, 3, fours are 3 fours are, so 2 fours are 8. That is 8 months. So 2 years, 2 by 3 years can be written as 2 years, 8 months. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, let us see the next problem. Second one. At what rate a sum doubles itself in 8 years, 4 months? This is the question, children. At what rate a some amount, that means that some amount is taken as principal, it doubles. 2 times it becomes. And the time is given 8 years, 4 months. So we don't know principal. So let P is equal to rupees X. Then, according to problem, amount is equal to twice 2x. Rupees 2x, because twice they said. And time is given 8 years, 4 months. So totally you have to convert it into years. That is 8 years plus 4 months means what, children? 12 months make 1 year, means 4 months. How much means 4 by 12? You have to take 4 ones are 4 threes are. So 8 plus 1 by 3. 3 is LCM. 8 threes are 24 plus 1. 25 by 3 years. Okay, time is 24 by 3 years. You need to find out what is rate. So again here, amount is equal to principal plus interest, and I is equal to P minus A. P is, A minus P. I is equal to A minus P. So A is 2x minus x, that is rupees X is interest. Now let us continue. I is equal to P T R by 100. Now what do you want, children? The question is rate. Here, what is rate they are asking? So R is equal to 100I by PT. That is 100 into what is I? X by principal. What is P we have taken? That is also X into what is the time? How much is the time? 25 by 3. So you can cancel these two X. Now you will be getting it as 100 into 3 by 25, reciprocal. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 12. Therefore, what is rate? R is equal to 12% is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, third one. A child. A child friendly. A child friendly bank. It is like this. So, let me read the sum for you. A child friendly bank announces saving scheme for the school children. They will give kitty banks to children. Children have to keep their savings in it, and the bank collects all the money once in a year. So small kiddie banks like toys you might have seen to stores means to save amount. So children will be getting some tips from any relatives or any birthdays and at any time. So that amount, without spending it for some silly things, they means to they save that amount in that bank. In that bank means in that toy. So for 1 year, the bank people allow them to save the amount in it. After 1 year, they collect that amount. So what they say, children have to keep their savings in it, and the bank collects the money in once in a year to encourage the children's savings. They give 6% interest if the amount exceeds 10,000. So after 1 year, what they do? They count the amount that the child has saved. If the amount is 10,000 or more than that, it is more than 10,000, then they are giving interest 6%. Otherwise, 5%. Even otherwise, also, if the saving is below 10,000, 5% interest they are giving. Find the interest received by a school if the deposit 9,000 rupees for 1 year. So, in a school, a child has saved 9,000 rupees in 1 year. So, what is the amount that he is going to? What is the interest? Find interest received. How much interest is he receiving? So once again, I'll explain this problem, children. A bank is supplying kiddie banks. Kiddie banks means small toys where you can keep the money. There is a facility to only drop the coins in it. You cannot remove them. It is not possible for you to remove. The toy will be made like that, and the child has to keep the amount in it for 1 year. The child keep the just drop the amount in it. So after 1 year, when they go to the bank, they open that kiddie bank and then they count the amount. If the amount is crossing 10,000 rupees, means what is that amount? That is the saving of the child. It is to encourage the child to develop a habit of savings. So if it is more than 10,000, they are giving 6% rate. If the amount is less than 10,000, they are giving 5% rate. Now a child for 1 year, he has deposited total amount to 9,000. The question is what is the interest he gets? Though the problem is very lengthy, if you understand, it is very easy, children. So we have to find out the interest. So first let us see what is the amount. The if the deposit 9,000, so principal becomes rupees 9,000, and rate is how much? Rate is 5%, because for 9,000 they will give only 5%. Time is 1 year. Now what is I, they are asking? What is I? PTR by 100. Now principal is 9,000, time is 1 year, rate is 5 by how much? 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 zeros are 5, 0, 5 nines are 45. Therefore, how much interest he is getting? Rupees 450. This is the answer. See, children, sum is so simple. Only the thing is, you have to understand what he has given in the problem. Please copy it. Now, let us see fourth problem. A sum of money invested at 8% per annum. Annum means what, children? 1 year. Okay, let me read this sum. A sum of money invested at 8% per annum for simple interest amounts to 12,122 rupees in 2 years. Amount they have given and time they have given, rate they have given. What will it amounts to in 2 years, 8 months at 9% rate? So here you are having two problems included in this actually, children. That is case 1 and case 2 we will be taking. So some amount is invested. First what you have to do, you should find out what is that amount. That is principal you have to find out. Because for the same principal, amount he is asking in the second problem, second case. So let me see first case and second case I will write. That will be easy for you to understand. In case 1, a sum of money, let uh, principal principal is let us consider as p only, rupees p. Principal is considered as rupees p and rate is 8% per annum and time is 1 year and they have given amount rupees 12,122 rupees. Sorry, time they have given 2 years. So time is 2 years. T is 2 years. So first you have to find out what is P. We know that amount is equal to principal plus interest. So I is equal to A minus P. Amount is 12,122, 12,122 minus P, we don't know, it is P only. So I should be taken this much amount as it is. We cannot uh, get any amount till we solve this problem. So let us solve it. We know that I is equal to PTR by 100. Now we want what, children? We want P because T is given, R is given. P if you want 100, 100I by 100I by TR. So 100 into I. What is I? So I is 12,122 minus P by time. What is the time? 2 years into rate is 8%. So I can say 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are. So let me say it as P is equal to 25 12,122 into 25. 25 twos are 50, 55, 55, 25 5 30, 50, 53, 25 ones are 25, 25 5 30. So 25 twos are 50, 50, 55, 5, 25 ones are 25 5 30. 53, 53, 5. So 25 on the 25, 5, 30. So you are getting it as 303050. 25 into it minus 25p by 4. So 4p is equal to 303050 minus 25p. So 4p plus 25p is equal to 303050. So this is 29p is equal to 303050. So what is p? 303050 by 29. So how much are you going to get? Let us divide it. 303050 divided by 29. Ones are 29. 1, 3. I cannot do, so keep 0 and 0. 6 are 6. No, we don't get it. 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 twos are 10, 4, 14. Even 5 will not go. So 4s are 4 nines are 36. 4 twos are 8, 11. So I am getting 4 here, 1 here, 5. So with 5 nines are 45, 5 twos are 10, 1, 4, 5. So one more 0 is left here, you take it here. So how much you are getting? This value is 10450 is principal. So principal is rupees 10,450. This is the principal that you have got in case 1. Now this principal for 9% rate for time 2 years 8 months, how much is the amount we have to calculate? I have no space, children, so please copy this case 1, then I will do case 2. Now let me write the values here, then I can rub the other part. In case 2 here, this becomes the principal. Principal is rupees 10,450 rupees. And in the problem, they have given rate as 9% and time is 2 years 8 2 years 8 months. So let me continue. So time is 2 years 8 months means 2 plus, I told you, 12 months make 1 year. 8 months make how many years? 8 by 12. So plus 8 by 12, that is 4 twos are 4 threes are 2 plus 2 by 3, that is LCM 3. 6 plus 2, that is 8 by 3 years. This is the time period that they have asked. Now they are asking actually what is the amount? How much is the amount? The question is what will it be its amount? We know that amount is equal to P plus I. So to get amount we need interest. So let us find out I. I is equal to PTR by 100. That is equal to P is 10,450 into time is 8 by 3 into rate is 9 by 100. So let me write it as 10450 into 8 by 3 into 9 into 1 by 100. This is easy for you to calculate. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 twos are 5 twos are 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, 0, 5 nines are 45. So this is 8, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 209 into 12. 12 nines are 108, 10. So 0, I'll write it here. 12 twos are 24, 125. 2508 is the rate. I is equal to rupees 2508. Now what do you want? You want amount. Amount is equal to principal plus rate. Principal is 10,450 plus rate is 2508. So 10,450, 2508. So 8 here, 5 here, 9, 2, 1. So rupees 12,958 is the answer for this problem, children. Please understand carefully. There are two cases arise. According to the first case, you can find out a principal. In case 2, taking that principal for the time they have given, for the rate they have given, you have to find out amount. Amount is nothing but a principal plus interest. So principal you have already got, interest you have to find out. So interest PTR by 100. By using that formula, I found out interest and P plus I got the answer. Please see it. Now, let us see the fifth problem. In 4 years, rupees 6,500 amounts to rupees 8840. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem. In 4 years, rupees 6,500 amounts to 8,840 at certain rate of interest. In what time will 1600 amounts to rupees 1860 at the same rate? Here also you have got two cases, children. According to the case 1, you have to find out the rate. Considering that rate, you have to find out the time for the second case. So let me take the first case. In case 1, what did they give? In 4 years, time is given as 4 years. 6,500 is principal, rupees 6,500, and amounts to, so amount is given as rupees 8,840 for certain rate. So rate is how much? First you need to find out rate. We know that amount is equal to P plus I, that is I is equal to amount minus P. So amount is 8,840 minus 6,500. So 8,840 minus 6,500. So 0, 4, 3 and 2. Okay. So it is I is rupees 2340. So with this, let us find out the rate they are asking. I is equal to PTR by 100. That means rate is equal to 100I by PT. That is 100 into I is 2,340 by principal. How much they have given? 6,500 into time is 4. So 2 zeros you can cancel. Then 4 we can cancel four fives are otherwise let us see 4 fives are 20 and 34. 4 6 are 24, we don't get. 4 fives are 23. 34 means 4 sevens are 28. 28 6. 4 8s are 32. So sorry. 4 8s are 32 you can take. 4 5s are 23. 4 8s are 32. 2. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So now 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. So 13 4s are. See, 13 4s are 4 3s are 12. Sorry, 13 9s are if you take 13 9s are 117. 13 9s are 117. So rate is 9. So rate is 9% you are getting according to this. So after getting rate, what we need to do, I think I can finish here itself in case 2 also. So let me take case 2. In case 2, principal is given as rupees 1600 and amount is given as rupees 1816 and rate is 9%. This rate we have to take and time is how much. This is what the case 2 is asking for. So let us see. We know again amount is equal to P plus I and I is equal to A minus P. So amount is 1816 minus 1600. So 1816 1600. When you subtract 612, 216. So I is equal to rupees 216. Okay. Now we know that I is equal to PTR by 100. Now what we need to find out time. T is equal to 100I by PR. 100 into 216 by principal is 1600 into rate is 9. So 3 3s are 3 7s are 3 2s are. Okay. Again 3 2s are 3 4s are. 2 zeros will get cancelled. 4 16 4s are. Now, 4 4s are you can take 16. 4 6 are 24. Again 2 2s are 2 3s are. So how much you are getting? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 years. 1.5 years is the answer, children. 1.5 years time it takes. So T is equal to 1 by 2 years. This is the answer for this problem. So like fourth one and say fifth one, both the problems are having two cases. Fourth one, it's a little bit big problem, so I need to write case 1 and case 2 separately. Here, case 1 I have done rate and case 2 I have got time. Okay, children, this is the answer. Please copy fifth problem. So with this, the chapter is completed. Next chapter we will be doing in the next class.